Ecology is the scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms. Biosphere consists in all life in Earth and the environment. Individual organism is a group of any species that lives together in a ecosystem. Population is a group of species that belongs to a specific area. Community is a assemblage of different species that live in the same area. Ecosystem are groups of species that lives in a specific area. Biome is a group of ecosystems that share the same primate. Biotic factor is a composition of living things. Biotic factors are the climate, weather, soil, and water. Observation is the first step of asking ecological questions. Experiment. It can be used to test an hypothesis. Many ecological models consist of mathematical formulas based on data collected through observation and experimentation. Primary producers are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by other organisms. Autotrophs use solar or chemical energy to produce food by assembling inorganic compounds into complex organic molecules. Captures the light energy and uses it into power chemical reaction that convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen. Chemical energy that produce carbohydrates. Consumers, organisms that feed on other organisms to acquire energy and nutrients. Carnivores, kill and eat other animals. Herbivores, organisms that feed on plants. Omnivores are animals whose diets naturally include a variety of different food that usually include both plants and animals. Scavengers, they feed off dead animals. Detritivores feed in detritivores particles. Like mushrooms and bacteria, feed by chemical breaking down organic matter. Food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. Phytoplankton is the first producer in aquatic ecosystem and is composed by floating algae. Network of feeding interaction show the relative amount of matter. Pyramids of energy show the relative amount of energy in each step of a tropical level. Pyramid of biomass shows the relative amount of living organisms. Pyramids of numbers shows the relative number of individual organisms at each tropical level. Water continuously moves at oceans and in the atmosphere. That pass from one organism to another among parts of the biosphere through growth lobes. Consists of any activity of a living organism. Process that includes volcanic eruptions and formation and breakdown of rock. Chemical and physical processes that includes formation of clouds and precipitation.
Activities that affect cycles of matter. Every organism needs nutrients to build tissues and carry out life functions.
Nutrients whose supply limits of productivity.